Hello, my name is Erica. I'm your professor for your counseling class. Welcome to the counseling class. In this particular video, I'm going to go over how to access Office 365. As a student in Long Beach City College, you can go to the Viking Portal and then access your Viking Portal. Within the Viking Portal, you'll be able to access different resources. The resource I'm focusing on today in this video is Office 365. When you get into Office 365, you'll have to log in. You'll use your email to log in, and then it'll take you to the Viking Portal login. Your login is your student ID number at the word student.lbcc.edu. Your chat ID is your student ID number at lbcc.edu. When you sign in, once you sign in, it'll give you access to Office 365. Once you're in Office 365, you have access to various products that are part of the Office 365 package. Things that you may be familiar with are Microsoft Word, Microsoft Excel, Microsoft PowerPoint. Other items that you may not be as familiar with is Outlook, the OneDrive, Teams, and SharePoint. There are other apps that you can access, like Bookings, Visio, Calendar, Delve, and you can always take a look at everything that's available to you. For the purpose of this video, I'm going to focus on just a few: Word, Outlook, and Teams. Please remember that you have access to the OneDrive. So all the work that you ever do at Long Beach City College, you can store in your OneDrive, and it can be there for you to use in the future. So a chart that you created for your Psych 1 class can be used in future Psych classes if you're a Psych major. Or if you're a nursing student and you learned certain items and you have an anatomy folder that can be available to you when you're in your physiology class, that could be incredibly useful. Whenever you create a document, whether it's Word, Excel, PowerPoint, or OneNote, you have certain features that I would like to share at this moment. When you create a document within Word, immediately it'll take you into Word. You can change the name of the document here. Instead of having a document, you can go in as soon as it catches up and change it to and then I'll save it as a docx, a docx document. What you're going to notice is that there is no save button. As you save things, as you are progressing, it saves things. So if you want to go to a prior version, there is a way for you to access that. If you need to do that, please talk to the Student Technology Help Desk, and they can help you access previous versions of your documents. For this particular document, I'm going to show you how you can share it. Your initial should be here. It brings down this menu. Now remember, you have multiple menus just like you do in Microsoft Word if you have it on your computer. This is the home menu. Right now, I just want to share, so I click on share. One of the beauty of having Office 365 is that you have the ability to share with the entire college community. That's anybody that's a student here or anybody that's a professor or somehow works for the college. If you start putting somebody's name, it will immediately bring up anybody who spells their name in the same manner. And then you just have to know if you're looking for that particular person. In this particular case, I have uploaded my photo, so you know that it's me, and it tells you that I'm a part-time instructor. So you click on me, and you know now that this is a document that will be shared with me. You can add anybody else. This is a great way to create a document that you're going to share with a study group, or that you want to use as a document for a group that you have on campus, like a club the student organization. If you would like to type a message, you can do so in this area. And then once you click send, it sends them an email to their Outlook within Office 365 to let them know that this is available to them. You can also copy the link and you can share the link. What I find is first you have to share it with somebody and then you can copy the link and then send the link separately to them. I'm going to return to Office, Microsoft Office, and this time I'm going to focus on Outlook. In Outlook, you're going to be able to go in there, and if you haven't accessed your email account before, just know that your email is going to be your student ID number. It's going to be the word student at LBCC. So for example, it'll be your ID number, which is a 7-digit number, the @ symbol, student at lbcc.edu. You can use this email for any email needs that you have as a student. So if you want to contact a potential employer because you're looking for an internship, you can do so through here. It is set up so that if you put in a specific name, it could bring up the person that works at the college already. So it's already able to find me, but it's also able to find other people that have a similar name. Eric, who's a student, and Erica, who's also a professor in sociology. We know that we want this particular person. You want to make sure you add a subject and the message. I also wanted to encourage you to go into your settings, go to view all Outlook settings, and where it says compose and reply, compose an email for yourself. Your signature should be some kind of signed on. So kind regards is a good one. Also sincerely, I like to put the phrase, please let me know if you have any comments, questions, or concerns. And then you put your name. The student has allowed me to use this account to be able to show the class. I would put your major. The student happens to be a math major. And then I would put the name at the college. And the word student. You can also put anticipated graduation date. And then you could put May of 2025. I think most of you guys will be done before 2025, but just to put something there. I do like spell check a lot. The other item that you may want to put is your Viking ID number. So this is going to be the main signature. So I'm going to press save. And then you scroll down and you go for new messages. You want to use your main signature. For replies, you want to use your main signature. But you can make more than one signature. So my suggestion to you is to add a new signature and call it email to professor. Again, put kind regards. Again, put your name. And then put your Viking ID number. Sometimes when you're emailing your professors, the number one thing they want to know is your Viking ID number. So make sure you include your Viking ID number in your communication. You could put in your major. And this will allow for you to be able to have the opportunity to compose a new message. And then when you do the signature, you go to email the professors and it's already ready for you to go. Make sure you delete your previous signature. This allows you to save some time so that you can focus just on your message. The next item that I wanted to share with you is Teams. Teams is an opportunity for you to have like a folder for items that you want to share with a particular group. When you go to Teams, the first thing it's going to want to have you do is download the app. You can use the web app instead. You do have the opportunity to join teams that are already created that are open for anybody, or you can create one for yourself or for a group of people that you're working with or a study group. I really strongly suggest this for the nursing program or the DMI program, where you create a group and then you're able to share documents, you're able to share items in the group. The other feature I wanted to show you within Teams is chat. The chat feature allows you to be able to create a message and send it to somebody in particular. You're able to send a message like text, where you're just sending a quick message. You can also send a quick GIF. And it does give you the ability to be able to reply with an emoji instead of having to respond every single time, just a way of quick acknowledgement. Within this area, whenever you want to create a new message, you just type in the name of the person, and it'll, of course, bring up anybody that's a student or that is somehow part of the campus community, professor, somebody that works at the college. You can have one person or multiple people in there. Whenever you're in there, you have the ability to, once you create a chat, you can always add people to a current chat. You can also delete them from the current chat. If you want to have a conversation with this person, you can also click on this phone icon and you'll have a phone call. Really important with this feature is that the person on the other end has to have Teams open, or at least Microsoft Office open. And it will notify them. It sounds like a phone ringing. You can also do a video call, and the video call has a lot of similar features like Zoom. So those are the items that I needed to review with you: how to log into your Microsoft Office account, how to create a document and share it with others, how to go into Outlook and create your email and your email signature, and how to go into Teams and use the chat feature. I do have an assignment for you. I do want you to go into your email and set it up and then send me what you intend to have as a major at Long Beach City College. I also would like you to go into your chat feature and go into the college catalog. So you can go to the Long Beach City College website, do a search for college catalog. Go to the online version of it and then do a search within the college catalog within course descriptions. Look up the course, Counseling 1. So go into Counseling and Guidance. And then I want you to copy the description for Counseling 1 and send it to me through the team chat. These two assignments will be 10 points, 5 for the email and 5 for the chat. Once I have everybody responding to that, I will post those grades by Monday morning. Thank you and have a great day.